XML sitemap optimization. Welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is all about XML sitemap optimization. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if this is your first time. Watch the video to the end to understand and see the easy setup we did. An XML sitemap is a file that lists all the pages on a website that the site owner wants search engines to index. It can be an effective tool for optimizing a website's visibility on search engines like Google. Here are some tips for optimizing an XML sitemap. Include all important pages. Make sure to include all the important pages on your website in your XML sitemap, including pages that might not be linked to in your site's navigation. This can help ensure that all pages on your site are crawled and indexed by search engines. Prioritize important pages. You can also use priority tags in your XML sitemap to indicate which pages are most important. This can help search engines prioritize crawling those pages first. Include last modified date. Including the last modified date for each page in your XML sitemap can help search engines determine how often to crawl your site. Use proper URL structure. Make sure that all URLs in your XML sitemap use the proper structure, including using HTTPS instead of HTTP for secure pages. Submit to search engines. Once you've optimized your XML sitemap, be sure to submit it to search engines like Google using their webmaster tools. This can help ensure that your site is crawled and indexed as quickly and efficiently as possible. What is XML optimization? XML optimization refers to the process of improving the performance and efficiency of XML documents. XML stands for Extensible Markup Language and is used for organizing and storing data in a structured way. Here are some ways to optimize XML documents. Remove unnecessary data. One way to optimize an XML document is to remove any unnecessary data. This can be achieved by removing any unused elements, attributes, or whitespace. Use efficient encoding. Using a more efficient encoding format can also help optimize XML documents. For example, using a compressed format like gzip can reduce the size of an XML document and improve performance. Use a schema. Using a schema can help define the structure and content of an XML document, making it easier to validate and parse. This can help improve the performance and efficiency of XML processing. Use XML parsers. Using an XML parser can help improve the performance of XML processing by converting XML documents into a more efficient format that can be more easily manipulated by computer programs. Minimize nesting. Minimizing the level of nesting in an XML document can also help optimize it. This can be achieved by reducing the number of nested elements and using attributes instead. Overall, optimizing XML documents can help improve their performance, efficiency, and usability. By removing unnecessary data, using efficient encoding, schemas, and parsers, and minimizing nesting, XML documents can be optimized to perform better in various applications. How to use XML sitemaps to boost SEO. XML sitemaps can be used to boost SEO in several ways. Here are some tips for using XML sitemaps to improve your website's search engine visibility. Help search engines crawl your site. By providing an XML sitemap, you make it easier for search engines to find and index all the pages on your website. This can help ensure that your site is fully crawled and indexed by search engines. Improve page ranking. Including all the pages on your site in the XML sitemap can help improve their page ranking, as search engines will be able to find and index these pages more easily. Identify crawl errors. If you regularly submit your XML sitemap to search engines, you can identify crawl errors more quickly. This can help you identify and fix any technical issues that might be affecting your site's search engine visibility. Provide metadata. XML sitemaps can include metadata such as the last modified date, priority, and frequency of updates. This can help search engines determine how often to crawl your site and which pages are most important. Identify duplicate content. If you have duplicate content on your site, your XML sitemap can help search engines identify which version of the content should be indexed. This can help prevent duplicate content penalties and improve your site's search engine visibility. Overall, using an XML sitemap can help improve your website's search engine visibility and boost your SEO efforts. How does XML sitemap affect SEO? XML sitemaps can have a positive impact on SEO by making it easier for search engines to crawl and index all the pages on a website. Here are some of the ways XML sitemaps can affect SEO. Crawling and indexing, and 1040 Sitemap provides a roadmap of a website structure to search engine crawlers. This can help search engines discover all the pages on a website, including those that may be hidden in subdirectories or not linked to from other pages. By making it easier for search engines to crawl and index a website, XML sitemaps can improve a website's search engine visibility. Page priority. XML sitemaps allow webmasters to specify the priority of individual pages. This can help search engines determine which pages are most important and should be crawled more frequently. For example, pages that are updated frequently or are more important to a website's overall theme can be given a higher priority. Metadata. XML sitemaps can include metadata such as the last modified date, which can help search engines determine how often to crawl a website. By providing this information, webmasters can ensure that search engines are crawling their website more efficiently. Duplicate content. If a website has duplicate content, an XML sitemap can help identify the canonical URL for a page. This can help prevent search engines from indexing the wrong version of a page, which can result in a penalty for duplicate content. Overall, XML sitemaps can improve a website's search engine visibility by making it easier for search engines to discover and crawl all the pages on a website. By providing additional metadata, webmasters can also help search engines crawl their website more efficiently and prevent issues like duplicate content penalties. Google XML Sitemap Generator WordPress plugin. The Google XML Sitemap Generator WordPress plugin is a free plugin that generates a sitemap for your WordPress website. This plugin makes it easy to create and submit a sitemap to Google and other search engines. Here are the steps to install and use the Google XML Sitemap Generator WordPress plugin. Install the plugin from your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins greater than Add New and search for Google XML Sitemaps. Install and activate the plugin. Configure the settings. Navigate to Settings greater than XML Sitemap to configure the plugin settings. You can customize the sitemap options such as the frequency of updates, priority, and inclusion of specific pages or posts. Generate the sitemap. Once you have configured the settings, click the XML sitemap button to generate the sitemap. You can also access the sitemap by adding divided by sitemap.xml to your website URL. Submit the sitemap to Google. After generating the sitemap, you can submit it to Google Search Console. Simply log into your Google Search Console account, select your website, and click on Sitemaps under the Index tab. Enter the URL of your sitemap and click Submit. By using the Google XML Sitemap Generator WordPress plugin, you can ensure that your website is fully indexed by Google and other search engines, which can improve your website's visibility and search engine rankings. XML Sitemap Optimization and Google XML Sitemap Generator WordPress plugin. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this detailed walkthrough. We hope you will share it with your social networks. This way, other interested users can benefit from it as well. Please click the like button, click the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the following video.